No matter how hard you hit, if you don't hit it at the right place, it's of no use. Digital marketing planning is the process to transform raw ideas into a strategic plan. A business turns out to be a disaster if it is started without proper planning. Unless it is about something in huge demand and it has no competitors, which is definitely a rare case. Similarly, if we really want to make a difference with digital marketing, we need to look deep into minor details, starting from the basic idea on which it is based, along with the steps required for its execution. The two basic attributes which must be considered while formulating a digital marketing plan are: the digital marketing plan must be in line with the business model and its vision. The selection of approaches for accomplishment of various targets must be made in accordance with the constraints of the business. What we need to address in our digital marketing plan varies from case to case. Depending upon the type of scenario that we are dealing with, the scope of digital marketing plan is divided into the following 4 classifications. If we are laying out a plan for a business that has to be started from scratch, we have to take care of the whole structuring of the business model along with the formulation of its digital marketing strategy. If we are doing it for a business which lacks current marketing practices, our plan will also involve restructuring of various business operations along with the formulation of digital marketing strategy. If the business needs digital marketing to address some preset targets, then our plan will only be focused towards fulfillment of those targets by making use of digital marketing. If a business is already based on a strong business model and it has an effective marketing department, the digital marketing strategy will ensure its strong representation in the digital world while populating the best possible image. Give room to all stakeholders to share and discuss their ideas and visions in a free environment. Out of those discussions, workable plans, ideas, and proposals should be extracted and shortlisted for further consideration. It is very important to maintain a pace and keep progressing. When we talk about exploring maximum possibilities, we have to categorize every thought as per its importance, and our goal should be to keep moving from the less important elements towards the more important elements. The energy spent in learning and drawing conclusions should never go wasted. All conclusions that we draw must be kept in an organized format and classified as per their priority. The ideal approach for any business or organization should be to keep its focus towards growth rather than staying occupied with the supervision of things at micro level. This can only be achieved if we can adopt a systematic approach while minimizing the need for the involvement of policymakers in routine operations. Digital marketing plan not only decides the fate of digital marketing efforts, but the process of planning also helps us explore various potentials of the business. In order to obtain best possible results from the process of digital marketing planning, the various steps involved in the process of digital marketing planning are further divided into 3 categories: brainstorming, research and analysis, executional strategy. Various steps involved in the process of digital marketing planning will be explained in our next videos.